Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Student, today we discuss our math topic type of sets. Type of sets. There are three types of sets. First one is finite sets. Second one is infinite sets, and third one is empty set. These are all the types of sets in which we describe a set. Now let's explain these types one by one. Our first one is finite set. What is finite set? The definition is a set having a finite number, a limited number of elements is called a finite set. In which there are limited number of set, we call these are finite set. For example, B, the set of vowels in English alphabet. We know that there are 5 words in English alphabet which are called vowels, and we write as B equal to bracket, and the vowel words are A, E, I, O and U. These are 5 words which are called vowels in English alphabet. This is a finite set because in this set there are 5 elements in a set. Our second example is D is a set of Islamic months. We know that there are 12 Islamic months in a year, so this is a finite set because in this set there are limited number of elements in a set. Okay, student, our second type is infinite set. What is infinite set? A set having unlimited number of elements is called an infinite set. In which set there are so many numbers, unlimited numbers. So this is called an infinite set. For example, n means natural numbers. The set of natural numbers. All the numbers in counting are natural numbers. W means the whole numbers. The set of whole numbers. Whole numbers mean the number. The counting numbers start with 0. Start 0 and so on. So these are whole numbers. So natural numbers and whole numbers are called infinite set because in these sets there are so many numbers, unlimited numbers. Okay, student, our third type is empty set. The word is empty. Empty set or null set. A set having no element is known as an empty set or null set. Means a set having no element, in which set there is no element, this is called empty set. For example, the set of English alphabet between U and V. U and V in English alphabet, U and V, there is no alphabet between them, so we write as, if we denote this set with A equal to bracket U and V, we find don't have an element, so as, and this is a empty set, this is a null set. Okay, this is a sign which denoted to null set, empty set. Okay, students, I hope you understand my today's lecture. You can practice at your home. Students, now it's a time to say Allah Hafiz, stay safe.